ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్ లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్ చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
So, hello students. Yeah, how are you, ma? Fine, right? Yeah, okay. So, in this video, we are going to discuss the previous year questions from the chapter 5. What is the chapter 5? Coordination. See, already we have discussed this chapter 5, coordination, the linking system. If you didn't see that video, go and watch, okay, and come to this previous year question discussions. Understood, right, ma? So, ఒకవేళ మీరు ఆ చాప్టర్ కానీ చూడకపోతే ఫస్ట్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ లింక్ తోని ఆ టాపిక్స్ అనేవి వినేసిన తర్వాత దెన్ కమ్ టు ద క్వశ్చన్ ఆన్సర్స్ పార్ట్. ఓకే, so here also we'll do the previous year questions. That means we'll check the previous year questions from this chapter. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to read the or learn the previous year questions. That means the important questions first, then go to the other questions. Okay, so let's see the first question here. So what are the divisions in the brain they are asking. సో ఏం అడుగుతున్నారు నాన్న, డివిజన్స్, బ్రెయిన్లో డివిజన్స్ ఏంటి అని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో దిస్ వాజ్ ఆస్క్డ్ ఇన్ ద ఇయర్ June 2015. ఓకే, 16, సారీ. ఓకే, సో వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు రైట్ ఫర్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్? డెఫినెట్లీ you need to write the parts of the brain. So check it out. Yeah, if you didn't see the before video, go and watch and come to here. So in detail we have discussed the brain structure. There are the 3 parts. Can you say that the 3 parts? Yeah, definitely. Forebrain, midbrain, okay, hindbrain. So these are the 3 divisions of the brain. So we have to describe, okay, illustrate these 3 parts. What does the forebrain consist of? Cerebrum. Okay, the next, and diencephalon also. Okay, then what is the hindbrain here? The hindbrain consists of the cerebellum, medulla oblongata. It will be the connection with the spinal cord, and the middle tectum. So middle one, okay, middle one is called the midbrain. The portion present between the forebrain to the hindbrain is called the middle brain. Okay, so here what is the function of the cerebrum here? Nothing but intelligence, memory, learning. If I give any question to you, you'll by heart it, right? So that's called the memory here. So all the memory actions, memory activities come here. And the diencephalon, near the diencephalon we will be having the hypothalamus called the pituitary gland. Okay. The pituitary gland is the master gland, okay, for all the glands. It controls the metabolism, okay, body metabolism and as well as the growth. Here and the middle brain, mainly lobes will be present here, nothing much. And cerebellum, equilibrium activity, okay. Next, all equilibrium activities are carried by the cerebellum here. And medulla oblongata, like coughing, vomiting, movements are all done by the medulla oblongata. So you need to write these points for the divisions of the brain, and brain is the controlling unit, okay, of the body. Who is the controlling master here? The brain is the controlling master here, okay. That is what, okay, you can see the clear description with the diagram, okay. So by this the question ends here. So let's check it out, the another question from the chapter 5, coordination. So I have written here the simply human hormones. Why I have written simply human hormones is, see, the question may ask like this, like they simply give any gland and they ask you to write their function or their location, like a tabular form they can give, or like a list of hormones or list of glands they can give. Okay, we can expect the question anything, like anything, okay. So that's why I have simply written the human hormones. See, you have the chart. So one table in your textbook, you need to by heart it. So from anywhere in that chart you can get the question here. So like if it is given for the 4 marks, if you mention any 4 hormones, that will be enough. So let's discuss a few hormones, like pituitary gland. You know the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland secretes some hormones called somatotrophin. So did you remember this somatotrophin? Somatotrophin. What does this somatotrophin do here, ma? So all growth, body growth, bones are done by this. Okay, master gland, pituitary gland. This is the hormone. This is the hormone here. And next, along with the somatotrophin, gonadotrophin also. Okay, gonadotrophin means nothing but all the secondary characters like gonads, like ovary, testes, like this. Okay. Next, vasopressin, that is also we have seen in excretion, vasopressin, like during the concentration of the urine. Okay, concentration, whenever you have the concentration of urine here, this vasopressin is secreted. Next, the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, what does they secrete? Thyroxine. Thyroxine, these are the hormones. This side I have written the glands and this side I am writing the hormones here. See, this thyroxine hormone is generally useful for the body metabolism. Metabolism means both catabolism and anabolism, means formation and the degradation, called breakage. Metabolism means nothing but a functioning of the body. So another one, ovaries. Ovaries secretes estrogen. Okay, like follicles, producing a follicle here, uterus, okay, and the pelvic one, all comes here. And from testis, okay, testis, we will be having the testosterone, male characters, all male characters. So these are some list of the human hormones. So this was asked in the year March 2015. So if it appears again, so you should be ready for this question. You can write as your wish. Okay, there are some chart. Okay, there is one table in your textbook. If you have read that one, you will get the exact marks in that following section. Okay, so this is about the human hormones.
Hello friends, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at KVC I am chemistry faculty. So first of all, let me wish you all the best for your upcoming board examination. Here at KVC we are the team of IITians and ITians and doctor to help you achieve your dream. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us and fulfill your dream.
Okay, we'll see the another question from the chapter 5 coordination here. So what is the third question? Can you see, ma? The third question is the plant hormones. So here also I have written just plant hormones because this question can appear as the tabular form. Okay, like they give some list, they ask you to write their functions. Like we can expect the question like anything. So this was asked in the year June 2015 here. So what are the different plant hormones? Can you tell it? The detailed description also given in the provided link there. You can check it out. Okay, and come here. Auxin is a plant hormone mainly responsible for the growth. Any growth here. And like phototrophism means moving towards the light, like apical dominance, then root growth. Most important one is the root growth. Okay, see we also give with the solutions also synthetically మనము అగ్రికల్చర్ లో ఈ న్యాచురల్ గానే కాకోకుండా ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ గా కూడా ఆక్సిన్స్ అనేవి ఇస్తారు నాన్న. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ అబౌట్ ది ఆక్సిన్స్ హియర్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ cytokinin. Cytokinin, for what it is useful? Mainly for the shoot growth. Auxin is for the root growth and cytokinins is for the shoot growth. Okay, and next for cell division and for the cell elongation. Okay, next one we see the gibberellin here. Gibberellin is also a hormone. Okay, mainly we see this gibberellin in the internode elongation. And during the seed germination we also see this gibberellin hormone. And next one, abscisic acid is a stress hormone, ABA. Mainly it is released during stress condition. Closing of stomata happens because of the ABA. So whenever there is any scarce of water, drought condition, so this hormone will release and it will let the stomata to close. So like water level transpiration jarugutunte, it will be harmful for the plant, right? So what it will do, it will close the simply stomata there, so the temporary relief for that plant. Next one here, ethylene hormone is a gaseous hormone here. Okay, ethylene, mainly natural produced one is produced in the fruit itself. Nowadays it's not like that, we are giving the artificial one. So you can simply see the colors but no ripening there. So fruit ripening. Okay, mainly for the fruit ripening. మనకి న్యాచురల్గా అయితే చూడండి చెట్టు మీద జామకాయ కానీ మామిడికాయని కానీ న్యాచురల్గా గ్రో అయితే యూ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ ది సీ ది స్మెల్ లైక్ దట్, లైక్ and you can also observe the beautiful color, but it is the artificial one. Manaki కనిపిస్తాయి కలర్, బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ కట్ ఇట్ అండ్ సీ దర్ దే ఆర్ సో రా. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద హార్మోన్ ethylene. Okay, so these are some few hormones here. So you should be ready for this question. Like they ask you like anything, they simply give the auxins, they'll ask you to write the function like that, they'll give some list like that, and you need to write according to that list. So by this the question ends, ma.